Going on, everyone? It's Alex here from Aleks Physio. So today we're going to be going over how to apply a tape job called buddy taping after you have jammed your finger or sprained your finger. So these injuries are common when there's an axial load or a load placed directly on the tip of the finger when you're playing volleyball, playing basketball, and it results in immediate pain, swelling, stiffness, discomfort, lack of range of motion, maybe a little bit of bruising in and around those joints. So usually the DIP joint, but also can sometimes be the PIP joint. So the joint right here and here as well. Those are usually the most common ones. So you injure the ligaments and some of the structures around that area. And one thing that you can do is called buddy taping. So we're going to use this tape. This is athlete's tape. And the nice thing about this piece of tape is that I can actually cut it in two to make it thinner. So obviously if you have smaller fingers, then this works out better for you. But basically what you're doing is, if I have injured my middle finger, I'm trying to tape the adjacent finger to it so that this tape job acts almost like a splint or an immobilizer, so that you're minimizing excessive use of that finger that you just jammed. So things that you're not really mindful of or pay attention to day-to-day life can irritate your finger, like putting your shirt on or jacket on, or just movements that require movement of that finger. By keeping it immobilized, you're minimizing the unintentional use of that finger and hopefully helping with some of these symptoms and allowing it to heal. Of course, splinting or this buddy tape job is just one part of a comprehensive rehab program to help get you better, but it helps from a pain relief perspective, especially in the first few days. So the way we're going to do it is we're going to apply one piece of tape in between the DIP and PIP joints, and then one strip of tape between the PIP joint and the MCP joint, or your knuckle. Okay, so the way this is going to look, I'm just going to apply this first strip and loop it around. Make sure it's nice and snug. It doesn't really matter how many layers you put. I mean, I might have used too much tape, but it doesn't really matter as long as it's nice and tensed up there. So that's the first one. Then the next one just a bit lower. Making sure it looks nice and aesthetically pleasing. There you go. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So again, one strip in between the two joints here, and then one strip between the knuckle and the PIP there. So again, you can wear this for a couple days. If you don't have any skin reactions to bandages, this should be appropriate for you to wear. You can sleep with it, you can shower with it. It might be easier if you just put something over it when you're showering so it doesn't get wet. But this does help with some of the pain relief and helps with some of the recovery. So let me know what you thought. Let me know if you jammed your finger or sprained your finger before, and if you tried this buddy taping, or if you haven't and you tried after this video, let me know how it feels after and if it helps with the recovery. And you should also go see a physiotherapist or a family physician just to make sure that you've ruled out any other injuries that may be associated with a jammed finger, such as a fracture or a dislocation of the joint or the little bones in the finger. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you found this information valuable. It really helps my channel grow. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.